everyone. I, Rachna, with my friends Nupur and Mehak, is here to submit our project on School Innovation Marathon. Firstly, we would like to thank our teachers who told us about this event and gave us the chance to perform in it. I would also like to thank my team members who supported me and each other in this product. We have had seen that solar panels were being used up in almost every field. It is good to use something by looking at its benefits, but we also need to look at its consequences, which is solar waste. Now, what is solar waste? Solar waste is basically the waste which is generated when the solar panels fail the quality checks when they are being manufactured. It is okay that it is of no use anymore, but it also harms our environment, which we need to look at. So, to check out this, we made a project which was based in this problem, because it is an e-waste and e-wastes are harmful for our environment. I came up with an idea to reduce solar waste and its harmful effects for our environment. So now I would like to invite Mehak to give you more information about this.
Mainly, the objective of our project will be to reduce its environmental impact, and it is also harm to the world by using some simple methods. So our idea is to separate indium, a very rare metal with unique properties, from the solar panel waste. Basically, by doing this, we will be reducing e-waste from our environment and also getting a very important metal from it as an extracted product, which is indium. There are a number of uses of extracted indium. Some of them are that it is used as an absorber layer of solar panel, also used in a LCD display, and many more. So now I will invite you to add more information on it.
In this project, we will try to tell you that how to separate indium from solar panel waste by using some simple and basic methods, which when will be done in a large scale with advanced machineries, will be a very effective process to separate them. Now, to explain the model, I would like to invite Rachna.
Now we will explain you the model of our project. So we have set up a house which is using solar panels for generating electricity. This solar panel board, which is an electrified board, is taking heat from the sunlight and converting it into electrical energy, and this is taking energy from the sun and the bulb is lighting. In the next process, we have used converse belt, which will take the waste to a box to a collection point, from which in the next process it will be melted. After the melting process, it will be sent to a cooling chamber where the metal will be cooled, and after it will be sent to a neutralization process tank, from which acid and base will be reacted with each other at a fixed amount, which will neutralize the metals. Then we will be filtering this solution in a filtered paper tank. So the water will be going downwards and the sediments of indium will be attached to the funnel. We will collect the indium particles and it will be transferred to the places where indium is needed. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.